license.
Right.
You don't go to school, still get paid.
Why are you playing for?
Video of myself teaching, so I decided to have you guys join. All right, Bryce. So we've already finished section A of our workbook. That was the first 4 lessons. Today is all about practice problems. Okay, we're just going to practice problems, and the goal of today is up here. We're going to enrich our understanding of how to find volume and how to identify layers in a rectangular prism. Okay? So, as usual, we're going to start with our name at the top and then begin with number 1. Okay? Emily, please write your name, date, and then Abdul, I want you to read number 1 too. Today is the 15th. Let me go get some cubes as well.
So perfect.
Alright guys, who can read number 1 for me? Abdul? Cool. What do you notice about that diagram, Emily?
I noticed about this diagram. It has 3 yards and 6 yards.
Good. So it shows us the length is 3 yards, and that the width is 3 yards, and that the length is 6 yards. What is it asking you to do, Leah? Good. What's the area of the floor? You guys are going to explain and show your reasoning. So first, you guys are going to take a minute, 2 minutes, find the area, solve the area, and then after that, I want you to explain on the lines below how you found the area. Go ahead. Take 2 minutes.
Okay,
So you're finding the area of this rectangular. Yep, it has a width of 3.
Oh, but Roger, I'm doing something. I was on my one. You want to buy your snacks to you.
Wait, everybody else is doing work. Even Adrian is doing his work right now. Don't give us some problem.
Wait, Miss Mumbling. I'm doing 6 times this week.
Was asked to play geometry dash and listen to music. We said, as long as you get the work done first, then we can talk about it. And then what you want to do later. It's just simple stuff, right?
It's in the workbook, after the first section, it's a set of practice problems that everyone can do.
Take 30 more seconds. You gotta find the area now. How do you find the area?
You can do what you want.
What do you do with these 2 numbers?
I don't.
Read every.
That's the one directly after. Yeah, I think it's still
I'm doing 3 times 6.
So the answer. Write it down.
Section 8, W, we got section 8. So
You do those
section
numbers.
Yeah, I think this is it. This is, yeah.
Got my answer.
That's your answer? Alright, now explain what you did to get your answer on the lines below.
I counted.
Alright, let's go over the work. Actually, before we go over it, you still writing? Alright, go ahead. Leah, talk to me. What did you the area of that floor is okay, you can move on to number 2. You gotta think about that.
Number 2?
You can move on to number 2. Well, first, before you move on to number 2, what was the area of the rectangular floor?
Come on, there's no way you can
Floor in the room. 6 is the area? What's the area of this whole room? 18 what? 18 yards. How do you know?
Because I counted by
You counted by 6? How many times? 3 times. So you did 3 times 6, which is 18.
Next problem.
You can move on to number 2. You gotta think about that now. Alright, Emily, what is the area of this floor?
18.
18. How do you know? 18 what? Sorry.
18 areas because
18.
18
What's this word?
yards.
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 Yards. How do you know?
Because 3 times 6 equals 18 and 6 times 3 equals 18 too.
Perfect. Good job. Alright. Look at number 2, Emily. Begin.
This guy.
Practice rolling eyes. 15 minutes of teaching. 15 minutes teaching. Okay. Alright, so just take 30, take a minute, look at that problem. I want you to really think about how you can find that unknown side length.
4 because it's the same size.
Wait, there's only 2.
You're in the right ballpark. You're in the right ballpark. It is the same as something else, but it's not. Wait,
Yeah, they're both the same size.
Abdul might be onto something. Abdul might be onto something. How do you know though, Abdul? How do you know that this is
Because both of these, because this line and this line both the same.
okay? They do look the same, but we got to be sure because just because something looks like it's the same doesn't mean that it actually is. But when we break it up into what is this called? A square. We know that squares have the same what?
Size.
They all have the same, all of their sides have the same lengths. So you're all right about that. So that is cool. Good job. So you're gonna write that down and then you're gonna explain what we just talked about. Okay. Emily, how can we find this side?
Wait, hold on. If we multiply 6 and 4.
If we multiply 6 and 4, we can get this side length? Well, what if I told you that multiplying 6 and 4 wouldn't really help explain how to find this side length to us? Rather, actually, no, you can keep that in. Let me relax it. You can keep that
That's what makes sense.
here, you can look on here too. With us.
Wait, we can?
So,
Watch how you talk.
this is a square.
Watch how you talk.
This is a square. What do we know about a square? What do we know about the side of a square?
Oh, they go together.
They all have the
Same
same
squares.
Side lengths. Side lengths.
Like 1.
So if this side of the square is 4, what's this side, and this side?
Mm, 6.
Mr. Baldwin.
4 and 6. It's 4. Because then
4 and 6.
side of the square has the same length.
Mr. Baldwin.
This side is 4, we know this is 4, that's 4, and that's 4, right? SPLIT. So you guys just told me that this side is going to be 4 centimeters, right? So write that down and then explain what we just talked about. I'm just going to write down what we just talked about. How do we come to that conclusion that that's 4 centimeters? Oh, there's one more side length too. We gotta find Abdul. This side.
Wait, is it this side? Miss Robin. Miss Robin, is it this side?
Say it again.
I said, is this side?
Say it again.
Is it this side?
We gotta find this side. Right here.
I don't know if we could do it that. Where's the pointing?
No, and he understands that too, Mr. Brandon. He knows. And you know what to do to get what you want. We've already talked about what you need to do. Nobody said no to you, Kareem. So like, there's no reason for you to be acting out. Nobody said no. We said finish the work first, and then we can talk about you doing what you want to do.
Miss Walker, I put keyboard
Pencils are right up there. All right, let's get back to it. How can we find this missing side length right here? This one right here. Let me draw the question mark. That's what I was asking for, right? Oh no, sorry. This side length right here. This side length right here. Yep.
We can because 8 centimeters and 10 centimeters, well, they're all like the same size.
Ow!
So 8 and 10 look like they're the same size as this.
Yeah.
Like you mean 8 and 10 together if you combine them? Or you mean that this and this, they just look like it's the same size? Okay, so then what is this then? If they look like they're the same size, what is this side length?
8 centimeters?
You think it's 8? 8 centimeters? Well,
I think it's 10
let's see.
centimeters.
You think it's 10?
Yes.
Well, let's see if it's 8 first. I think there's a way we can test out if it's 8.
I think it's 8.
You think it's 8?
I think it's 10.
Well, let's draw a line across, guys. 8 stops where? Right here, right? If this is where 8 stops on this side, then we know that on this side, 8 stops here too. Is that the whole length of this side though? What about this?
No.
No, so this is 8. I would agree with that. So if this is 8, then what's this little piece right here?
4.
Oh, how do you know?
That was fun.
I know because 4.
Wait. Because it's higher? What's higher? This side length?
Well,
What's higher? You said it was 4, and I think you guys
yeah.
are correct. Help her out. How do you know that this side length is 4?
Because if you split them like in half, it's gonna be a square, and a square has the same size.
Precisely. And it's not even like splitting in half, but we already know, like Abdul said, when we split this shape here into a square, we saw that this side was 4, this side will be 4, this will be 4 centimeters, and this will be 4 centimeters, right? So by default, it's 4 centimeters. Now that we know this is 8 centimeters and this side is 4 centimeters, What do we need to do to find the whole entire
I
length of the
put
side?
CNN.
Okay, thank you. What do we need to do now that we know this side is 4 and this side is 8?
Oh,
Find the total side length.
multiply.
Not in this situation, no.
We add.
We just need to add them. Because all we're doing is finding the total length of the side. We're not finding the area. If we were finding the area, then we would need to multiply.
And it's 12.
It is 12 indeed.
Oh, Miss Mother, I forgot to say how to multiply.
Go ahead. All right, go ahead. Write down 12 centimeters and then tell us how you know.